Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris and I handle a portfolio of websites. So I have other videos where I go over how I install and create a website using Divi and the extra theme. But a lot of you have been asking me questions, and I realize that sometimes you don't want to dig through all the longer videos. So in the next couple of videos, I'm just going to make some really quick videos and answer just very specific questions. So the number one question is, how do I install Divi or Extra? So let's go and dive in. So you're going to go to here to elegantthemes.com and you just go in, you're going to do your account. And the first page, let's see, you come in here, you go to your account and you're going to go to product downloads, and under here you have the members area, and you're going to come to Divi theme, and all you do is you're going to click here, download the Divi theme. It's going to go to your downloads. Then from there, you're going to go to your WordPress site. On this one, we're using Brainstorm SEO. So the way you do it is you're going to come over here to where it says appearance. You click on appearance and it takes you to the theme area. Then you can come here, click add new theme. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to upload theme. You're going to go to choose file. And you're going to go to Divi. You click open. You click install. And once it's installed, you are going to see it show up in the themes area right here. So right here it's going to take a little bit of time. And here we go, it's on theme. Once you get into here, you're going to go to activate. And that's it. That's all you got to do. Then you're going to come back to your site and the theme will be uploaded, and then we'll go into other parts in the video as to how to create this whole thing. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, just subscribe and like. We'll see you on the next one.